That's information, and that information can flow from the supplier to the manufacturer. It will ultimately, that might be something even the consumer wants to know in the end. Well, I'm looking at a Samsung and I'm looking at a LG display, and I want to know which one is better because clarity is a big issue to me. I just can't stand fuzziness. And let's pretend that on the LG, it's noticeably, or it has a slight fuzziness to it, but the consumer who's fussy about fuzziness finds out that Samsung has a higher clarity specification for its glass than does the LG. Well, guess what? That's going to affect the consumer's choice of the product that is either produced by LG or Samsung. And in the scenario I've given, the obvious choice is going to go to Samsung, which has higher clarity. So I'm trying to show you how information regarding the raw product, glass in this case, which becomes just a component of the display, actually becomes an item that's of interest to the consumer. And then financial information. Financial information is important everywhere. Financial information. Now, this is kind of funny. They only show financial information flowing one direction. I didn't notice that before. And I think, I don't know that I buy that. Because what about the cost of the raw material of a sheet of glass from Corning, let's say, versus buying a sheet of glass from some other supplier? Isn't that cost of the raw material financial information? So I can't say that I agree with this depiction in the sketch that only shows financial information coming from downstream to the consumer and only flowing back to the supplier. I think it actually flows both directions.